Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making chicken and gravy, and what you're going to need for that is 2 packets of chicken gravy mix, a can of cream of chicken. I'm going to add a half a brick of cream cheese, which is 4 ounces, and then I have this garlic, good seasonings, garlic and herb dressing recipe mix. And then for the chicken, I'm going to season it with some seasonings I had, some pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And I'm going to sear these up first in this pan. I'm just going to get this hot. And then I have some carrots chopped up right here that I'm going to lay it over. I'm going to mix all this together in this bowl. I pour it over, and so I'll show you what I'll do next. Right here I have some cream cheese I just thawed out in the microwave so I can blend it in with everything else, because I'm not going to be mixing this as it cooks. I'm going to lay it over top, so I have that. I'm going to add in cream of chicken soup, and then I'm going to add garlic and herb, and the 2 gravy packets. I have this on low. I'm going to let it cook for 4 to 5 hours, and I'll show you the final result. This is how it's looking after about 5 hours. It's where it needs to be. So I have some rice cooking and some veggies, and I'll show you what it looks like all plated up. So I forgot to film the finished product, but I'm prepping some I'm doing meal prep right now for some lunches, so it's ready to go when you want it. I always do this with leftovers usually, but this is what it looked like basically, and I just thickened up the gravy a little bit with the flour slurry because it was a little bit too liquidy, and I scraped off most of the fat off the top before I did that. And then, yep, I just have the rice on the side with some veggies, and this was super delicious. I highly recommend it. I wouldn't recommend cooking the carrots in with everything. It made the gravy kind of taste like carrots. It wasn't overpowering, but I didn't really like that. And then I actually mixed them in with some mixed veggies. So, but yeah, everything was delicious, and I hope you guys try out the recipe, and I hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.